while Samsung is struggling to cross 5000 mAh, OnePlus is about to drop a phone with a battery so massive it might actually last 2 full days of hardcore gaming. And trust me, that's just the beginning of this madness. So why is OnePlus suddenly jumping into the dedicated gaming phone arena? Well, here is the thing, they have been teasing this power for a while now. The OnePlus 15 just dropped with the 7300 mAh and the A6 with the 7800 mAh, and now they are going full throttle with the Turbo. OnePlus clearly sees an opportunity. Gaming phones like ROG Phone and Red Magic exist, but they are niche. OnePlus wants to bring that gaming beast performance to the mainstream without the gaming aesthetic cringe. So they are planning a phone with a 8000 mAh battery. Yes, let me put this in perspective for you. The iPhone 17 Pro Max and Galaxy S25 Ultra has a 5000 mAh. This OnePlus Turbo has 8000 mAh. We are talking about the phone that could genuinely last 2 full days of heavy use or an entire day of non-stop gaming without touching a charger. And when you do need to charge, 100-watt fast charging will top you up in no time. This is the kind of battery endurance we have been begging for, and the OnePlus is actually delivering it. Now let's talk power. The OnePlus Turbo is rumored to pack the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset. Yeah, the same silicon that's supposed to power next year's flagships. This is flagship-level performance powered by Glacier cooling system to keep things frosty during intense PUBG or Junction Impact sessions. Now OnePlus also announced something huge for mobile gamers. They are calling it OP Gaming Core. Think of it as a complete gaming upgrade built right into the phone's chip. So what does it do? First, it keeps your gaming running super smooth at 120 FPS without draining your battery or heating the phone. They have also added something called hyper rendering that makes graphics looks amazing while using less power and 80% more efficiency to be exact. Plus, 3 special chips are working together, one for raw performance, one for lightning fast touch response, and one for rock solid Wi-Fi connection. You can even play at 165 FPS, which is crazy for a phone. The OnePlus 15 gets it first, and the best part, the same technology is heading to the OnePlus Turbo lineup soon, so more people can experience next level mobile gaming. So here is my question for you guys, would you switch to a gaming focused phone if it meant having a battery that actually lasts? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will catch you in the next one.